Preview.
Hello friends, today what are we going to make?
Let us first talk with your friends. Hi friends, are you enjoying your holidays?
Yeah, so tomorrow is my Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah.
So today we are going to draw,
Maybe a gingerbread man?
yes, a gingerbread man.
And
And in the next drawing we are going to make a gingerbread house. It's going to be exciting. Let's start with this easy drawing of a gingerbread man. As always, we will need a
black sketch some paper and some few colors.
Let's get started.
Yeah.
How does a gingerbread man looks like? Okay, he looks like this. See,
A round face.
not a round one. Yeah. Okay. And we make the Christmas cap. That's easy. And as always, we make a straight line and then we turn this around. Here is the Christmas cap. That's so easy, isn't it? And now, the hands, like we do for a doll. Yes, the hands and the legs.
But why the ginger?
That's so simple, and that was so quick.
But why the gingerbread man called the gingerbread man?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, we are done. We are almost done. Okay. The big eyes. And a smiling face.
Like this?
The eyebrows. And some blue colors, please. We are done with the drawing of the gingerbread man. Let's quickly color it. What are the colors that we need? Red color for the Christmas cap as always. Okay. Parikshit, are you done? I'm done. Are you done? If yes, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Run Club and hashtag Kids Fun Run Club to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Run Club. See you in the next drawing of gingerbread home. That is gonna be a tough drawing, a difficult one.
Yeah, look, Santa's carrying this title.
Oh, okay.
Gingerbread man.
Wow, that's super cool.
And that's the sleigh.
Okay.